welcome to my channel. I'm Jennita and this is Alestilodjennita. This is a channel where you find beauty, everything about my style, and I hope you like it. And if you want to recreate how I do my eyebrows, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start with this eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal that I love, and I'm gonna try to outline following my natural line brow and try to fill in it with the same pencil with tiny strokes. Try to fill in it. I want to create like an ombre effect, so you have to make sure the strokes are really lightly in the beginning of the eyebrow. So I'm gonna use this gel from NYX and I'm gonna fill all that part. The tail of my eyebrow, and without any more products, lightly define the beginning of my eyebrow. After that, I wanna use a concealer to define the edges. And apply a mascara that is from Wet n Wild, and it is translucent. As you can see, it's the final result. And this is how my eyebrows are done with all my makeup. I hope you like it and give me your thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you wanna see another one video about me. Bye!